Oh, they're having fun in there.
Hello, I'm here for the event.
A quick security check? Authentic mermaid. You can go.
Thanks, bye.
Have fun. Huh? What's that sound?
Hey! Yahoo!
We've arrived.
Huh?
Phew! Right on time.
Hey there.
Hello.
Let's do this.
Stop right there.
Don't you recognize us?
Should I? Well, I see. I still need to do my job, though. No tail? No enter! Sorry! You ladies don't belong here. This event is for mermaids only.
Oh, I see.
Wait!
Why?
I will help you!
What are you?
It's mermaid makeover time! For you!
Whoa,
Where are we?
so cool!
Ha! A surprise box! I love surprises! Come on, check out yours.
Let's see. Wow.
Shall we begin? What does the first shell have in store for us? This is so exciting! Wow! What kind of magic is this?
Huh? My turn! Let's see what the seashell will give me. I hope it's something useful. Whoa! Huh? These are the same as yours. What are we supposed to do with them? You're thinking what I'm thinking?
Yep.
Let's go! No time to waste. The show must go on. Shoes off.
Bye, Boots.
Whoa! Watch out! Haha!
Time to wrap this up. Literally. This is taking longer than I anticipated.
Makeovers require patience, I guess.
Done. Wait, we can't walk.
Maybe we did something wrong? Whoa! Look! We got a cute visitor!
Aw,
Who's a good boy? Wow! He brought sweets!
yum.
Yum indeed! Nom!
Wonder what flavor this is.
Ha! Whoa!
What's happening?
I can't believe it! We have actual mermaid tails now!
And they are so fancy. It's all thanks to Derpy. Yay! Bye, buddy.
Come again soon! I guess that completes the first step of the makeover.
We nailed it if you ask me.
Let's check out what's next.
I'll go first.
Go ahead!
Shell number 2. Weird. How will these help?
We'll have to figure it out. I wonder if I'll get the same stuff. Wow! A makeover game? My favorite kind. We need to pick an outfit.
This one's perfect.
Perfectly dirty, you mean? We can't wear these.
Disgusting. These belong in the trash.
Wait, maybe not. This must be why we got tiny laundry machines. I'll select the hygiene program. The wash cycle is finished. And ta-da! It's fresh as new. Come on, your turn.
Fine. I'll put lots of ocean-friendly detergent. Okay, time to take it out. Wow, it smells so nice now. But we still have a tiny problem. Hang on, this must be what we need to use next. I was right. Let's try it.
Careful, don't point it at me.
Don't worry, I have perfect aim.
You were saying, but wait, now the shirt will fit just fine. Told ya.
I should fix this. I can't let you stay like that.
Whoa! Yay! Thanks! The shirt!
It worked. Take this.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
This is how it's done.
Yay! Thanks!
Of course! No biggie.
This is so pretty. And it's like it's made just for me.
So, that means task 2 is also done. I'll check out the third shell now. Here it is! Whoa! This is unexpected. Should we take cover? Ah! I should have! Take it off! Help!
Whoa! Nobody saw that coming.
Huh? Wait a second. This feels strangely relaxing.
Wow. Hey there, buddy.
Thanks for the updo! I love it. You're really good at your job. Bye. Bye.
Your hair looks amazing. Let's see who my hairdresser will be. Huh? But where's my octopus stylist? All I got are socks. Hey, good thing I already know this hack. I mean, I am a K-pop star after all. Of course, I know a thing or two about hair. Now, I wait.
Good thing they're not smelly socks, at least.
Haha.
Hey!
How is that my fault? Anyway, I gotta use these too, I guess.
Haha! Not like that, though. Let me show you. Can't imagine you without your signature front hairpieces. So I'm creating a mermaid version of those. Voila!
Wow, thanks!
You're welcome. But I still gotta bedazzle your hair with these. Check it out.
Wow, I love it so much. This really is the hairstyle for my edgy spirit. Huh? Oh, you're back already? Good to see you again. Those are for us?
Is this some kind of a hair necklace?
More like a tiara, I assume.
Oh, I see. Mine's gotta be golden. I think our octopus friend is happy with the results.
Oh, wow. Our new friend got even more surprises for us.
We can check mermaid hair off our list.
We still have 2 more tasks to complete. Wow! Yay! Makeup time! These products are just what we need.
I see it. I like it. I want to do it too. But I need to wash my face first.
A little help?
Huh? With what?
My hands are busy holding this.
Okay, I'll do the rest for you. What would you do without me?
We're a team for a reason.
Yep. Now back to... You can't believe the treasure I found!
And I have precious pearls here. And I have no reason to not put them on my face. Haha!
Wow, that's a great idea. Okay, let's catch some glitter. Careful, fishies! Get out of the way! I got them all! You use pearls, I'll use this pearl dust. It's a bit chunky, but it looks magical. A makeup look won't be mermaid core without some color. These shades of purple go well with my hair.
One final touch.
Let's open the final shells together in 3, 2, 1.
Give us what we need, magic shells.
Wow.
Ha! The concert! We almost forgot about that.
Was it today?
Ready to end my shift? Whoa!
We're back.
And we're ready for our merfolk fans.
I can see that. Amazing transformation, really. I'm so happy to announce I can let you pass. Break a leg on the stage. Oh, wait, they can't.
I can't wait to go in. Hey, I have the invitation.
Let me stop you right there. Gotta check what the scanner says.
Is this really necessary?
0%! No way you're going in! Imposter!
Does she need saving? I strongly think so.
Whoa, my head. Huh? It's you!
Yep, but don't get too excited. We have lots to do. Your turn, Z. So here's the plan. We're gonna make you our roomie. We will start with your face, teeth, pimples, cheeks.
Oh.
Phew, that's a lot of work, really. And then...
Aha!
Ta-da! So, let's begin. I trust your plan, girl.
Should I be afraid?
Yeah. Take this. Got it. Trust me, this is my favorite flavor. Now get those chin muscles working.
Blech. Yikes.
Okay. Hold steady.
Z, a little help?
Ready and steady.
Let's do it!
Ow. Whoa. Okay, girl. Moving on.
So, what's next?
Well, teeth checked. Next, pimples. Ugh, the worst.
I'm ready.
I'm not. I know just what you need. How is this going to help?
Wow, this is magic.
Let's get rid of that. Much better.
Wow.
I have an idea. Glitter is always a good choice.
How'd I look?
Not as I expected. Oopsie.
Hey, I didn't sign up for this.
But, oh no. It's no biggie.
Wait. Phew.
Never again. Okay, I got the right one here. Here comes the makeup dust.
This is the most glamorous version of me, like, ever.
We did it! A golden transformation! But we're not even close to being done yet.
Whoa.
To the salon! Let me take a closer look at your hair. So dry. And definitely the wrong color. How about...
No!
This looks wrong. Maybe.
So 80s.
Nope.
Cruella would be jealous.
Nuh-uh.
Wow.
Purple is your color. I call this shade the Soda Pop Purple. Mwah! Hair, check. We're getting there. Yay!
Huh?
The tail must go.
But how?
Oh, here's the answer to that problem.
I can't.
It might slightly hurt. Didn't think we would need this much. Are you ready?
Nope. Ouch!
Phew, this is gonna take a while. We did what we had to. Now you walk.
Whoa, this feels weird. Hey, don't look!
Don't worry. Now it's time for a fit check for your napalm era.
Wow.
Let's get you into some chic clothes.
I look like Sherlock Holmes. Yikes.
No, this is not her color. Nope. Maybe this?
Wow.
Perfect. I kept the best for last.
I feel like I can take over the entire monster world in this fit.
Yeah, girl. That's the spirit. And with that, we've completed everything. Let's do this. Not so fast. You still need to learn the choreography.
Slower, please. I can't keep up. Ouch. Wait, to the left or right?
Just copy our moves. It's easy. Stop! You're ruining the whole routine. Wait, maybe we should try a new teaching approach. Come on.
Well, this looks fun, to be honest. I will try my best.
You got this.
Left foot back, right foot back. Now I add the hands.
Go, go, go!
I think I'm finally getting it. Yay! I win!
Bravo! I knew you had it in you.
Wow. What's that? Is this really for me?
You're one of us now.
I'm a huntrix. Let's hunt some monsters!
Hold on.
What now?
Your training is not over. Catch! Time to test your sword skills.
All those years of playing Fruit Ninja weren't for nothing. Phew!
Impressive. Truly. She's ready. We officially welcome you to the team.
Thank you!
You're done hiding. Now you're shining.
Like I'm born to be! Haha! The party awaits! Ahem.
Am I supposed to know who you are? I gotta check. No wannabe huntrix allowed.
Huh? What do you mean? But why?
Sing your heart out. We've got your back. Always.
Let's do this.
Shut up and play.
Huh? Okay. Whoa, I like the sound of that.
You came at a bad time. But you just crossed the line. You want to get wild? Okay, I'll show you wild. Knocking you out like a lullaby. Hear that sound ringing in your mind?
Yeah! Yeah!
Better sit down for the show. 'Cause I'm gonna show you how it's done, done, done.
Huntrix, don't miss.
How it's done, done, done.
And the big applause!
Phew! We were incredible.
Yeah!
Okay, you can go in.
Yes! Finally!
Let's party!
Wow, I'm so ready to have some fun after all that.